Since he took office, former President Donald J. Trump has presided over 2 federal indictments of the President Hunter Biden. Attorney General Merrick B. Garland has tried to overcome the partisan war in the search and apolitical search for prosecution and judicial independence more than 40 years. However, in last 7 years, he saw that the political debates of bruising have been involved in a row. In 2016, Mr. Garland, commonly accepted appeal judge, is nominated for Supreme Court by President Barack Obama. Only a brazen with the conservatives by Senate Republicans will be prevent successful power game. On January 6, 2021, Mr. Garland was preparing for the approval hearings as a chief prosecutor after 4 years of chaos and political confusion. He prepared statements focused on norms, regular order unda at the Ministry of Justice. He called Trump loyalists capital. 2 months later, he took part in the time. Mr. Garland has been chaired by a ruthless turmoil, with the appointment of a private lawyer to investigate his inappropriate. President Biden. 70-year-old Mr. Garland was born to the middle-class Jewish parents in Chicago and joined Harvard, where he received undergraduate and law degrees. The U.S. deputy lawyer in the Washington office. In late 1980s, mid-1990s, he rose rapidly highest-level tasks. 1994. Chief Public Prosecutor. Over his critical duty took over most daily operations of department.He supervised cases internal terrorism. His government Timothy J. Mcveight Terry L. Nichols personally unusual step representing personally preliminary hearing. In 1995, President Bill Clinton nominated U.S. Appeal Court for Circuit, Columbia Region, who took step to Supreme Court, where he became a strong advocate for First Amendment rights with prominent pro-legal execution. In one best-known cases, Mr. Garland was part of an appeal panel that decided that unanimously in 2003. Federal courts did not hear difficulties from detainees at Guantánamo Bay Guantánamo in Cuba. As Chief Public Prosecutor, he supported civil rights and environmental divisions of ministry and largely managed to recover stability among prosecutors. However, the term of office was defined by Mr. Trump on January 6. Since first months, the monumental task prosecution of more than 1,000 cases caused by attack on Capitol dominated most his business, and if it has become a goal right to perform these actions, it is not love left, but deliberately intentionally criticizing. Some them are tempo deliberate. Trump prosecution.